Welcome to our van life with our three little dogs, episode 78. We made it to Banff, Alberta. This place is breathtaking and we are excited to be here finally. Join us as we explore this amazing area and thank you for watching. At our campsite in Lake Louise in Banff, Alberta. We have about 15-minute drive left. It's been an uneventful drive since we left Camp Louise this morning, and there were a lot of constructions. The bridges on the way up, including where they closed off some of the areas due to the fire. But it's been a smooth ride and beautiful, gorgeous day. It's currently 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it's a beautiful 79 degrees out here. We're nearing our welcome to Alberta, Wild Rose Country. So we're nearing our campsite in Lake Louise. We're very excited to get there and set up camp. Out here is just absolutely breathtaking. All the mountains, the green trees, everything. It's just so refreshing, so fresh and peaceful, and we're excited to be here.
Made it to Lake Louise campground. We are waiting in line to get checked in, and then we're going to see our campground and see what we want to do for the rest of the day. We made it to Lake Louise. This is our huge campsite. This is one hardtop campsite, so meant for RVs, and this area is more prone to grizzly bears, so we're definitely gonna try to stay safe. They do have a electrical hookup but no water, but we are right next to the bathrooms, which are right here, and it's supposed to have showers. Bow Creek should be right there behind me. We'll go check that out and hopefully get out a little bit tonight after we make some food. So we're gonna explore the campground. So far it's ginormous. I mean, we could fit like 5 to probably like 10 vans in this space. Pretty amazing. So this is a nice healthy map, showcases all the peaks, elevation up here, the actual lake that you can probably get to, but you gotta get out there to get parking super early in the morning. It's a big walk-in from here. We'll have to see if that's doable. Looks like we can definitely walk. They do rent canoes, and that's a popular thing to do. We also have the Bow River Trail, which is right next to us, and the visitor center, and then this parkway which drives up to Moraine Lake, and this is about a 12k drive. So Lake Louise drive is 5k. Definitely not going to be short enough for the chihuahuas. This is home for the next 2 nights. Chihuahuas are hoping not to be eaten by bears while we're here. Isn't that nice? Lunchable. This is the Bow River. Banff majesty around us. Yeah. Bail and Bail are in Banff in the Chewbacca. So beautiful and warm. Oh yeah, this is the spot. Okay, we are out here with the doggies on the Bow River, right next to our campground in Lake Louise. We just got to Banff National Park and we're just kind of checking out the area. What do you think so far, Pia?
It's really beautiful here and very exciting to be out in nature.
Looks like we got a big glacier and a lot of mountains right behind us. Lake Louise is kind of off in that distance, a couple kilometers away, and we're going to try to hit Lake Moraine as well tomorrow, as well as a couple other strategic viewpoints in Banff. We got basically the whole day tomorrow to explore, and we're going to treat that as much as we can to drive around and see what we can see in a pretty big area, but I think it should be doable as long as we get to a couple spots early enough. So they do say that you got to get into the Lake Louise parking lot bright and early, 6 a.m. It'll be cold tonight, so we'll see if we can make it and if it's worth it. What do you think?
I think it'll be worth it. So we'll set our alarms at 5 in the morning so that we can be at the parking lot by 6 o'clock.
Absolutely. And we'll take in some of these views along the way.
Banff in Alberta is so beautiful with its lakes and mountains that it became Canada's first national park. It is perfect area for outdoor sports, hiking, skiing, and snowboarding. There are so many things to do and see around here, and we hope that you get the chance to visit as well.
So we are out here in Banff, Lake Louise campground. This is the hardtop area, which basically means RVs. And we are right on the Bow River. Really cool area. It's right behind me. And they have huge spots. We've got full power hookups, no water, but we're right next to the bathroom and shower. So we're gonna get cleaned up here a little bit after dinner. And I am starting off with a one-pot meal, one of my favorites while camping, cooking. We're doing a sauteed broccoli, get some greens first with some garlic and onion, and then we're making a Pia and my personal favorite for easy cooking. It's gonna be adobo chicken and pork over rice. Should be really good. This is also gonna be a nice kind of umami dish after being on the road now for, how long has it been now, Pia? 10 days? So about, 9 days. This is day 9. We've now driven all the way up and down the west coast and all the way up across the Canadian Northwest. We're still figuring it out, but it's Monday, August 28th, and we're going to be eating good in this beautiful spot in Alberta, Canada. The base of all good things, garlic and onion. That's what's so great about this dish, so simple. Olive oil, soy sauce, white vinegar, mostly pepper, salt, and then we're going to do the protein and then let it work its magic. All right, now we got the chicken and the pork in. Gonna hit it with a little seasoning. If you have time, season it before. A little bit of vinegar and a little bit of soy sauce just to get it going for the saute, and then get all the love going. This one has skin on. Not always what we like, but sometimes when you're on the road, beggars can't be choosers. Alright, get this moving. I'll show you the result. Get a little more sauteing.